how to use Walmart Plus at Burger King. So this is official over here, so you should be able to see the actual step-by-step method, or technically how to use this offer. So BK and Walmart Plus FAQ, there are a few over here, but let's go directly to what is Walmart Plus. So Walmart Plus is Walmart's paid membership program that helps you save time, money, or both by offering benefits such as free grocery delivery from store, free shipping with no order minimum, video streaming from Paramount Plus, gas discounts, and now even Burger King savings. So among others. If you still don't have a Walmart Plus membership, you can get it over here. But anyways, on to how you get access to this new dining benefit. You must link your Walmart Plus membership with your BK Royal Perks account. So go into your Walmart Plus Benefits Hub and tap on the Burger King Savings title. So click Get Started Now to be redirected to the Burger King page and click on Link Accounts. If you haven't already, you'll be asked to sign up or log in to your BK Royal Perks account, so it's free of cost, and then just follow the steps to link your accounts. Once linking is confirmed, visit the Offers tab to see your exclusive offers, thus being able to use your Walmart Plus on Burger King. So once you've done that, if you want to ask if you can redeem these offers at BK restaurants, you can redeem these digital offers via the BK app or BK.com only. So however, in the app or online, you can select pickup mode though to dine in where it is available, or pick up your order up your preferred participating BK restaurant. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.